Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Collector Gloria. Last week, I did unload Coach shopping tours video. As I told you in the last video, I bought a new bag in Australia. I spent 725 Australia dollars. Today, I will do the unboxing. I'm now excited because I have waited a long time to buy it. Then I will hurry up and start unboxing. The Coach Riley crossbody bag is a slender design made from the signature coated canvas with a refined calf leather trim. Also, the first bag features a front flap with a gold tone lock closure. It looks like a clutch, but you can use a detachable and adjustable strap for shoulder or crossbody wear. It's charm, so lovely. Let's have a look inside. It's a fabric lining, a zip pouch, a card slot, a dual compartment. It's a serial number. Includes the spec for 1941 series. The style's accordion interior offers plenty of space while keeping items organized on the go. Next week, I will show what fits video. Thank you for watching my video. The like and subscribe buttons give me a lot of strength. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.